Watch and listen carefully. Have your notebook and a pen ready to take notes. Later, you'll complete a writing activity comparing this to the passage you read in the previous activity. Judy believes that reducing the amount of waste we create is more important than recycling. She often argues that while recycling is helpful, it doesn't solve the problem of overconsumption. Judy explains that if people focused more on creating less waste in the first place, there would be less garbage to recycle. She feels that minimizing waste is a more effective approach to protecting the environment. In Judy's view, many products are designed to be used once and thrown away, contributing to the growing problem of waste. She emphasizes the need for people to change their habits and choose reusable items instead. For example, Judy suggests using cloth bags instead of plastic ones and bringing reusable water bottles rather than buying bottled water. By making these small changes, she believes that everyone can significantly reduce the waste they generate. Judy also thinks that reducing waste encourages creativity and innovation. She believes that when people think about how to avoid waste, they can find new ways to use items instead of discarding them. For instance, she loves repurposing glass jars for storage or turning old clothes into cleaning rags. Judy feels that this mindset not only helps the environment, but also fosters a sense of community as people share ideas and solutions for living with less waste. Prepare for your writing task. Summarize the key points from the video and discuss how they contrast with or challenge the main ideas presented in the reading from the previous activity.